Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how to record Netflix without black screen. I will show you in all kind of popular browser right now, like Microsoft Edge, Opera browser, or Chrome. This is very quick, so hope you watch till the end of the videos. Okay, in Microsoft Edge, you click the settings. In the search bar, you will search for this graphics acceleration. In the system setting, graphic acceleration, you click in here and you turn off this option. Now you can refresh Netflix and you can record normally without back screen on Microsoft Edge. Chrome is similar. You click to the settings. In the search bar, you search for graphics acceleration. You see the option here. You turn it off and then you can refresh Netflix and you can record normally from now. For Opera browser, it's the Opera icon. You click settings. And again, you search for graphic acceleration and you turn off this option. That will fix the black screen when recording. Okay, that's all my videos. If you found any better solution, please drop a comment below. Hope you will give me a like and a subscribe. I will see you in my next videos.